You would never know that this isn't Too Faced on both eyes, or even Dollar Tree on both eyes. Hey guys, so I am panning my Too Faced Everything Nice palette, as you can see, and I want to bring you a look from this palette on this eye from Cherry Tart, Lucky, Haute, Feeling Good, and Always Down. Okay, let's get started. So the first shade that I'm going to be using from the Too Faced palette is Fond of You, and it is right there. So I'm just placing that on the lid, up into the crease and up, just like I always do. I don't really know what I'm doing right now with this look, but I wanted to use my Too Faced palette. So I'm cleaning off my brush, and I am going into LA Colors Haute, and I'm choosing this shade right there. To do the same on the other eye. Wow, that's pigmented. It's pretty much the exact same shade, but even more intense. Okay, I need to clean off my brush and go back into Fond of You. Alrighty. But of course, if you have these palettes, you're not going to have to do that. Just a reminder, I have eczema on this eye right here, so it may look funky. Nothing I can do about it. So the next shade that I am taking from the Too Faced palette is going to be this green. Too Glam is its name. And I'm placing that just on the movable part of the lid, up into the crease, and it's not going on. We're gonna be a flower today. There's its stem. Okay, so on the other eye, I need two colors to replicate this eye look. So I'm going to be taking shade number 4 right here, and I'm doing the same thing on this eye. You can see how much lighter it is. Now you can, if you have this palette here, you can leave it like that. You don't have to do what I'm going to do with this shade, but you don't have to do this. But I want my eyes to match today, so that's why I'm going to do this. And that is to add a gray on top of it to bring out, because this is grayed down, this green here. It's a muted green, it's grungy. We're going down here again. This is going on beautifully, beautifully. Ooh, I love it. I already knew that. I think I used this color in another video. Then I'm going into this one, I think it's Always Down, and I'm going into this shade right here, and I'm just going to place it right over top, and that's going to make it the exact shade of the Too Faced. Do you see that? Pretty cool, right? I'm not sure what I like better, the grunge or the vibrant. I don't mind either, but yeah, I mean, it's up to you whether you want to go grunge or if you want to stay vibrant. You have two options now. So I'm just going to place a little bit more of the green. I'm wiping off my brush and I'm adding more of the green over here. Okay, I'm happy with that. So next I'm going to add Totally Fetch from Too Faced. And it's right there. I can't wait for this color to be gone. I'm not sick of it. I want this palette gone. And I'm just going to put that all over the lid. So it's very, very green and pink and pretty. We're going to be adding gold. That is going to be from Feeling Good, this shade right there. They are looking so close to each other. That is crazy. You would never know that this isn't Too Faced on both eyes, or even Dollar Tree on both eyes. Wiping off my brush, going back into Totally Fetch. There we go. Just because this one is going on a lot better. But this, in its defense, is a very old palette. And that is why I want it gone. I just want it gone. It's from 2015. Went back into shade number 3 from Feeling Good. Oh, this is pretty. I like this. What do I want to do? I think I'm going to put this underneath, and then I'm going to put the gold in this area right here. Going into Totally Fetch and doing the same on this side. Okay, so for the gold shade on the Dollar Tree side, I am going into Cherry Tart, and I am going to be using the shade right here, and I'm placing that in the inner part of the eye here. Right in there. Do you see that? Oh. And did you know eyeshadow is back in town? It's back, guys. I saw it on the Google feed. For me, eyeshadow never left. I was like, what are you guys talking about? Tired of hearing about blush. Like, so tired of it. Personally, I need one blush, and I'm good. Although, you know, I do have more. I am just going to blend these two shades together a little bit better. Same on this side. Okay, going right into Honey Pot, I believe it is. Yeah, it's Honey Pot. Right there. Okay, these are like identical. You could never tell them apart. Never. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a bit of the gold over top of the pink on both sides. So I'm going to go back into Cherry Tart right here and just place it over top of the pink. That is so 80s. I'm here for it. I am. I'm going to go back into Haute right here, and I'm taking that same shade that I used before, and I'm just going to blend out this outer edge. So I decided to bring some of the pink in a bit closer into that eye, bottom of the eye right here. Just, it wasn't working having the gold come to here, so I brought the pink. And I'm just going to put a little bit more right here using this one. I did the same on the other eye already to save time. I really like this eye. This is really pretty. Very, like I said, very, very 80s. Ugh, I loved the 80s. They were the best years of my life. Okay, could you tell? If this is Too Faced, this is Dollar Tree. Yes, I realize it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 palettes, but if you have them, you can recreate this look. Okay, I'm going to go and I'm going to do all my eyeliners, and I will, and maybe my face, probably my face, because I am just still panning this Revlon colorstay stuff. And yeah, I'll be back. Just wanted to pop on for a second to show you the dog. Maybe. Aw. Okay, I'll be back. It's the Revlon Colorstay Light Cover Foundation in 150 buff, just in case you really were curious. Okay. Revlon called this foundation light coverage. Excuse me, Revlon? Okay. So for my lips, I put on Put It On, the suede lip liner from NYX, and I am wearing for my lipstick Wet n Wild Skinny Dipping. I don't want to compete, and I am panning this. So this lipstick is readily available. I'm not sure about the lip liner, but if you can't find this lip liner, Max Grape Expectations is the same color as this. So on my cheeks, I used from the Too Faced palette, I used Sweet Pink and Innerlight. And for my contour, I used the bpure Glow Up Wand in Fair Medium. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope that you like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video.